Let's go.
Imagine this. You're a teacher in a classroom with 25 students. A student suddenly collapses, or there's an emergency in the hallway, or a situation develops outside your window. In that moment, every second matters. How do you call for help? Quickly, quietly, and effectively, without leaving your students vulnerable. This is the reality our educators face. And it's why Normandy Schools Collaborative made the decision to implement CENTEGIX, a safety platform that gives every staff member the power to protect and respond instantly. Because nothing is more important than keeping our students safe. Like school districts across the country, we've seen how emergencies of all kinds can impact schools, from health related incidents to student behavior needs to external safety threats. Before CENTEGIX, response times relied on phone calls, walkie talkies, or tracking someone down in the building. That can mean delays, and in an emergency, delays matter. So, what does CENTEGIX do? It's simple but powerful. Every staff member has a small badge that they wear. With just a push of a button, they can send an immediate alert. That alert reaches administrators, security, and first responders. The system can even trigger lockdown protocols when needed. It means that no matter where you are in the building, help is just a second away. When we implemented CENTEGIX in Normandy, we made sure staff were trained, supported, and ready to use it. And the feedback has been incredible. Teachers feel empowered. They know they don't have to waste precious time making a phone call or leaving their students to find help. They have it right there at their fingertips. Already, we've seen CENTEGIX in action. For example, it's been used in medical situations where a quick response made all the difference. We have had incidents where administrators could respond to classrooms almost immediately, preventing situations from escalating. These are moments where safety and care intersect, and CENTEGIX makes that possible. At Normandy, we believe that safety is not an add-on to education, it's the foundation. When our staff and students feel safe, they can focus fully on learning, growing, and achieving excellence. CENTEGIX has transformed the way we think about safety. It's no longer just about protocols on paper, it's about action in the moment, and every second matters. So today, we ask for your support as parents, guardians, and community members. Support our teachers as they embrace this tool, share in our commitment to safety, and stand with us as we continue to invest in the well-being of every child and adult in our schools. Together, we are creating schools where students are not only educated, they are protected, cared for, and valued. Because at Normandy, together we can, and together we will.